And finally, would you kill Big Bird?
Well, as a matter of fact, I've voted to kill Big Bird in the past, so I have a record there that I have to disclose. That doesn't mean I don't like Big Bird. I mean, you know, you can kill things and still like them. I mean, maybe to eat them, I don't know, but that's probably that. Can we
no, that was beautifully badly phrased. I think we should end on that note, just to make you feel really uncomfortable. that's
you
can
a bad
kill
YouTube
things but still
right
like
there,
them. Rick Santorum. What a perfect way to end the interview.
Well, it's good to be with you, Piers. Thank you.